Yo guys, check this out. This is the Hiccup Straw, and it might be the easiest fix for annoying hiccups. Alright, real talk hiccups always show up at the worst times. You're eating, talking, on a call, or trying to sleep, and boom, they just won't stop. And then you try everything holding your breath, chugging water, drinking upside down, getting scared, and half the time it just makes you look crazy. But this thing is actually designed to fix the problem instead of guessing. All you do is drop the hiccup straw into a glass of water, put your lips on it, and take a few steady sips. That's it. No weird tricks, no setup, nothing complicated. Now here's why it works. It's not just a normal straw. It's specially designed to create the exact amount of suction and pressure when you drink. That pressure helps reset your diaphragm, which is the muscle that causes hiccups in the first place. So instead of random home remedies, this is actually based on how your body works. And what's really nice is how simple it is. It's small, lightweight, reusable, and super easy to clean. You can keep it in your kitchen, throw it in your backpack, or even take it with you when you travel. And I'm not gonna lie, the first time you use it and your hiccups just stop, it feels kinda unreal. Plus, it works for both kids and adults, so it's one of those things you can keep around the house and everyone can use. If you get hiccups a lot or even just hate dealing with them when they randomly hit, this is definitely something worth trying. You can check out the Hiccup Straw on Amazon, links not right there. Go search it up yourself. I'm not getting monetized yet. Please like,